Want to know how to make Cursor AI add summary section at the end automatically? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application. So we have also created similar videos of getting help with Cursor AI and how to use it, so make sure to watch it. Now, adding summary is super simple. There is two ways you can do it. If you want it separately, you can just simply open up your chatbot. So for that, just simply select the entire port, and once I've selected Ctrl+A, all the way in the bottom you should be seeing add to chat. Just simply like that, and then just simply type in key summary of this code and then write enter. So once that is done, it should give you a summary. So if you want it at the end of the code as a comment, you can just simply select Ctrl+K and it should open up this right here. This should be a quick editor, and now once your quick editor opens up, just simply type in, select enter, and it should add a quick summary of this code as a comment below your codes. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.